Hi and welcome back to Garfin's Creation. Today at Garfin's Creation we'll be making this delicious dried black lemon chicken fry. The recipe is mentioned below, so let's start with the recipe. So the main ingredient here is this black lemon. These are basically dried lemons and they turn black once they are dried. These are easily available online and you can check below for the purchase link too. So we'll start by making a powder out of it. I'll just grind it into the mixie jar and get it back. So this is how we get the black lemon powder, and this can be used in a variety of dishes. If you do not have this black lemon, you can use juice or 1 lemon juice too. Here next I have taken 5 tablespoons of fresh cream. I've used Amul fresh cream. And we'll add in the black lemon powder into it. So these are the other spices that will go into it. So here I have crushed some Kasuri Methi, Garam Masala Powder, Jeera Powder, Black Pepper Powder, 2 green chilies, 2 tablespoons cashew nut powder. I've also taken 1 cheese cube that will be grating it later. So I'll just add all this into the cream. Next into this I'll be adding the salt. You can adjust the salt as per your taste. This is 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. And we'll be grating the cheese cube. Since the cheese too is going to be salty, so just adjust the salt accordingly. You can increase the spice level of this by adding more green chilies too. Now just mix this all well. We can marinate the chicken pieces in this and keep it for a day too. Just fry it when you're ready to serve. So now here all the ingredients are well mixed, and into this I'll be adding the chicken pieces. I've taken half a kg of chicken curry pieces. In place of this you can also use chicken wings or chicken legs. So once the marinade is ready, just mix the chicken and the masala well. Coat the chicken pieces well with the marinade. You can also use your hands to rub the masala into it. So now after mixing this well, we'll just cling wrap it and keep it in the fridge to marinate. You can marinate this for at least an hour. I'll be marinating this overnight and then frying it the next day. You can either fry the chicken over the gas stove or also air fry it. I'll be showing you both the methods. To shallow fry the chicken, just add in sufficient oil in the pan. I'll be adding few of the pieces here. Before frying, make sure that the chicken is come to room temperature. Do not add the directly cold chicken into the frying pan. Now we'll fry the chicken on medium flame. Let it fry for at least for the first 2 to 3 minutes and then flip them over. And once they've got a little brown on both the side, that is it got seared, we'll just cover it and let it cook further. By doing so, the chicken will remain nice and juicy from within also. So now after cooking this for about 3 to 4 minutes, you can flip the chicken once more, flip it and then fry it till you get a nice golden brown. The chicken is almost done. This will hardly take any time now. Once fried well, you can take it out of the pan. As we have used fresh cream for this recipe, you'll find a lot of residue left back in the pan. So now once this is done, let's see how to fry it in the air fryer too. I'll place the chicken pieces in the silicone air fryer liner and then just place this into the air fryer basket. I'll also be just spraying a little oil over it. You just need to drizzle a little oil over the chicken pieces. Today I'm using the Philips 2000 series air fryer. It comes with some preset menu. So I'll just use the chicken option. That is 180 degrees for around 21 minutes. In midway, I'll just open the basket and then flip it over. For smaller chicken pieces, you can also keep it for 15 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Once I've flipped them all, I'll put it back into the air fryer and continue air frying them. This air fryer has got the option of resuming from where it stops. So there's no need of adjusting anything. It continues on its own. Our chicken is beautifully air fried. You can serve this with some green chutney and some salad. With this, our black lemon chicken is ready to be served. Do continue showing your love and subscribe to Garfin's Creation. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon again. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.